Look at how weird this looks. This is from my bedroom window. Still playing poker, by the way. Oh, what happened to the focus? Ugh. Wow, I guess it can't focus. Third, I guess, but there's a weird thing to the right side of the sun simulator. See, right in the middle, looks like a circle. Alright, poker, now it's getting annoying. Right in the middle there. See it? Oh, too much. And look at how weird that looks. Come on. Sorry. Look at how bright that thing looks. I'm on the lowest brightness setting. Let's just see for the kicks what it would look like on default. Come on. Don't mind the dirt and stuff. There. Got past it finally. I might have to go out and look at this. This is weird. Alright. Hold on. Alright, I'm going outside to see what we can see. Alright, let's go down on the brightness. I think I missed that cloud going through, but look at how triangular that looks. And it looks like energy again. It's 7:41 now. Took a few minutes for me to get out. Here's default level. Anything else happening? What the heck is that? Alright, let's go back down on the brightness. Zoom in as good as I can. It's kind of blurry though a little bit. -2. See what's over next to those clouds. I don't know, some weird patterns I saw earlier. Almost looks like there's something over this side too. It's harder to see. Don't know. But it looks like there's two light sources here. Or that simulator or sun / simulator is shining up there. That looks odd. Kind of see it with your naked eye. The top part, that is. Look at how flat the sun looks. Come on. And look at that. I'll bump it up just a little. Yeah, there's some patterns in there. I'm not saying it's a spaceship, cloaked spaceship, but you never know. It looks like something, like a spaceship. Not saying it is, but it kind of looks like something. -1 for the brightness. I'm going to check and see what it looks like on 1. I'm going to experiment a little bit, see how we can see this better. See, look at that up there, come on. That's me brightening it up though, but here's default. -1. Back to default. Almost zoomed in as far as I can. Let me back up a little bit. Maybe the spaceship goes through the sun simulator and becomes cloaked. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. I'm gonna have to go back and look on this. But it seems to appears to me that the sun is not going straight down. It moved over to the right side. Towards the trees. It wasn't in the trees earlier, I don't think. I'll have to go back and look. Suspicious. We got a suspicious circular cloud by itself over here. Oh, we got some harp going up here. Look at that. There's the harp clouds. I don't know, maybe that's what it is. They're zapping the sky, and that's making us feel funny. I don't know. But I don't think the sun was over near the trees earlier. I can see the patterns. Wow, I thought this was going to be a short video, and it wound up being a little bit long. But this is going to be it though, once it passes over the mountain. Or actually, once it passes through that low cloud that's right over the mountain, we won't be able to see it no more. So I'm just going through. I'm going to bump it down. What? Back to default. What is that thing now? It's just a cloud, I guess. Just a cloud. Alright, I'm done. I think. Look at that thing now. What in the world? What in the world? Alright, let's bump it down. -1. I'm going to try all the settings. -2. Looks too dark, but you never know. -3. -2. -1. Default. You know what? I'm going to go up. There's 1 +1. Even look at, okay, see if you look at +1, look at how, look at the sun, it still looks like it's moving over to the right instead of going straight down. And look at the light source that's above it. But then when I look and bump it down to default, doesn't it kind of look like a circle? Huh? That looks awful suspicious. -1. -2. I don't know if you can see it any better. Alright, back to default. That surely looks strange. It doesn't look the same though when you look at it with your naked eye. So you got a chemtrail going through right now. Dun, da, da, da. See, it looks like it's charged with energy too. Are you kidding me? See, I've seen that before, not in a long time, but I used to remember getting chemtrails and they'd be like that blue LED color. It doesn't look blue, but it looks like it's charged. What? I'm going to go in as far as I can on this. What? Okay, it looks like he started right there. But look, it looks like it's charged. And then it just disappears into the cloud bank. Ooh, another one. Ooh, with a shadow. Alright, now it's getting interesting. They really want to cover up this area over here. I'm guessing like right here. So we got... Whoa. Are you kidding me? I didn't do nothing. I just lowered it though. -2. Why are we getting a chemtrail shadow? Look at... Almost looks like they're gonna collide. X marks the spot. Huh. Let's back off a little. Still see the shadow of the chemtrail. Look at all that crap. That's terrible. But now look at where the sun is. It's like completely in the trees now. I'm going to go back and look at this because that's intriguing. We got a giant V in the sky. Right there. So I'm guessing what they're doing. They're hiding something from over here now. The sun's over here. It's supposed to be over here. But maybe something else is over here that they're trying to hide. Right there, maybe. Right there, maybe. Does that look round? Bumping up. That's default. Kind of looks like it is. The X is right there. Ouch, my neck is starting to hurt. Alright, we're gonna end this. Jeez. Crazy. Crazy, crazy. Alright, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. God bless. This is as close as I get to the sunset because of the mountains. God bless.